let's make a Christmas sweet. Kulkuls. In Goan cuisine, they told, without this, the Christmas is incomplete. So don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Jaws, Moses, kitchen. We can make 45 pieces like this, small piece. We need 1 and 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup powdered sugar. Combine well. 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Combine well. 1/4 cup coconut milk. Mix it well. Don't add the coconut milk once. Do in small batches. Make a dough. Knead well and make a ball like this. Make small 45 balls like this. When all the balls are ready, get a fork like this onto the bottom, place the ball, flatten it out, press it and roll it like a worm or a gnocchi and seal the edges. When everything is ready, onto a hot oil, fry it until it is golden and crispy. Remove from the oil, drain all the oil, place in a kitchen towel lined plate. The beautiful sweet is ready to taste. The sweet is ready. Just enjoy and eat. It's a beautiful one. Please don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Jaws Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one?